Is the camera rolling?
Yo!
I'm leaving that in.
Alright.
Hey, what's up, guys? Scarce here.
Alright, welcome back to attempt 4. This is the furthest we've ever made it.
This is the furthest we've ever made it.
This is the furthest. Is that Bowser? So let's just quickly recap. What can't I? Hello.
Is that Bowser?
Alright, let's review the squad. So we got hit hard.
We got
Oh, look
hit-
who's still here! It's still Fo.
We got Fo.
Got the Murphy, got Pokey Shiny. She's still here.
Mary One.
Oh, Vermin.
yeah, Vermin's.
So this is a pretty standard squad. I think we're gonna start today out by walking back because we have a certain Kabuto to go revive.
Yes.
But honestly, before we get, I mean, look at all the progress we've made since we
Look at
started
that.
recording.
Look at that. We have $268,000.
Alright, let's go. How do we get back? I agree, let's go.
I don't know. I have no idea where the thing is.
I also gotta make sure we face all of the trainers along the way.
Yeah, because we kind of got steamrolled.
Steamroll is putting it lightly. I don't know what I can say on here. We're past the first minute, right? Yeah, I can say the word.
Don't say
we
it.
got destroyed.
Yeah. We got.
I'm sorry, I had to say it.
We got screwed over.
Ooh, we got fricked up, man.
Alright, it's too far. No more.
Sorry.
But the Murph managed to survive. Of course, Pokey Shiny. I mean, it's Pikachu. I mean, it's like the Pikachu.
Glug.
Glug glug. We were going to have a better recording setup today, but our capture card is bad. So
Hey, no, that is the greatest capture card of all time.
no, no.
What do you think? I got a priority move off here?
I don't think there are any of those.
I only have 4, honestly.
I'm gonna use. I've forgotten what a bunch of the moves mean. Okay, we got it. I don't think it counts as priority if it always goes first.
I mean,
I need
watch
to
this
use.
crit.
Check this crit. Go! He learned Turbo Sabia! Which I think is. That's,
Well, it should be sand attack.
yeah, it is. It's Santa.
We could also try to get the new encounter.
Vermin really needs some work. You see, if Vermin were
Oh, I
trained
forgot
up,
what city it is. It's coming up that we can make this trade, and then it's like level 26.
no,
No, that's a damaging move.
that's the wrong one. That's the one.
Yeah, that's.
He learns a poison type move.
Okay. Don't mind if I do.
Yeah.
God. This is where.
I think we haven't done these guys.
This is where.
So Vermin would have been really helpful in the last battle,
Yeah, but we just didn't think about it. So
and he's like level 2, so.
well, we really should have gotten food before this started. Because now I have to edit. Eventually.
And whose fault is that? Harry Sesame.
No, this is a route where corned beef was born.
Oh, corned beef.
And you can get the kill here.
Like Queen.
That's why they call you the Murph.
That's why they call me what they call me.
Alright, let's see.
Great.
Whoa! This is great. Only 6 more levels.
6 more levels until Flo becomes the most powerful being.
Oh. I forget if it's fairy. What was it? Normal fairy. Normal fairy. I'm gonna go for the gamble. Oh, if only we had a poison type move.
You're gonna use whatever this is.
I think you should have gone for the kill.
No, I think you're gonna clean up.
You idiot.
Does double kick always hit twice?
Use growl.
Aha! That was growl.
Gee, I wonder, does double kick always hit twice?
Okay, but
Double slap.
shut up.
I'm just making sure we kill it, man. You can never be too sure.
I have to say, yesterday I was thinking it'd be kind of cool if Pikachu died. Just because then it would actually be difficult. And then I realized that if Pikachu dies,
We got nothing.
yeah, we're kind of not in a great place.
Can't wait till we got Thunderstorm.
Oh, 1 point.
One. Divine.
That's like 9 plus 10. Oh, Fulminate. That's a word that I know, but I don't remember what it is.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Thing.
Yeah, Fulminate is thunder.
Do we keep that or do we go
What
with
is
it?
that?
It lowers, let's detail it. Lowers defense. I don't think that
I think we need Fulminate.
Yeah, that's only gonna be around until we get, the new moves anyhow.
Yeah. Yay!
Mega Ball. I forgot about that.
I've noticed that the Italian version for some reason doesn't put the name of the trainer. Oh wow, this isn't a double battle, we just fight these two. They don't put the name of the trainer in the name. They put the name and then and then the title in parentheses.
Why don't you entertain the audience while I go try to prepare for
Okay, pal. Oops. Alright, so for this battle we're gonna
just use quick attack and then
definitely go with Thunder on this one. And then that's super effective. I'm all alone. That's not super effective? Okay, whatever. There we go. Yay! How's it going? How's it going, squad? You having fun? You enjoying the video? You watching the video? That would be a shock. I don't think anybody does that. Alright. I don't know. I forget type matchups with poison, so we're gonna hope. I mean, I know Vine Whip's not gonna do much anyway, but we're gonna hope fighting isn't weak to poison. Okay. I've taken an L. I seem to have taken a slight L here. Uh-oh. It's fine. Doesn't Calcio mean... Calcio means football. Like soccer. Like football. That's why I recognize that word! I recognize that word because it means soccer. Why is it double soccer? I mean, I guess it's double foot. Double football. Double kick! That's why! Okay, I have kind of nothing here. I guess I'm just gonna beat him up. If anything, I'll poison him. That wasn't poison. Oops. I used the wrong one. I don't think he doesn't have poison. Those are sleep and paralysis. Whatever. Listen. And you know, that's just why that's why I hate Sam.
food. Get sun chips.
He brought sun chips.
I brought sun chips.
And nothing else.
Mother's making food for us. You should shout out to Mother.
Shout out to Mother. Uh-oh. I clapped my hands and now I'm gone.
Deserved.
Look at my little radish. I have to say, I missed marijuana a little bit. Marijuana.
Oh, you can walk too?
Yeah. That's what I've been saying.
Bro,
He wants tea.
I don't care. We don't got tea for you, bro. I'm not involved in that sort of drama.
The truth. I think I entertained the people. Here's the problem. I think we need to cut this video into smaller chunks.
Why?
Because I got a lot of feedback that the stuff that people watched was good,
Mm-hmm.
but there was too much stuff.
That's their fault.
Based?
Listen. You knew what you subscribed for. It's garbage content.
True.
With minimal editing. So,
True.
like, honestly, if you complain, that's on you. And my response as co-founder and one of 4 chair people of, whoa, wait, did we get an encounter on this route?
I think so.
What route is it?
It's Celesta Poli. Yeah, I think we did.
Uh-oh. We can also just do small, we can just cut it up in here, and then we don't even have to edit.
Yeah.
I think that's a banger idea. Alright. I'm down. Alright. Biancaville? No idea.
Wait. I have Whiteville.
1,
2. Bosco Smeraldo.
3, 4. Oh yeah. That was a gift. 6.
No 5. Let's go.
Alright.
Alright, we have an encounter here.
There's Growlithe, and there's Pidgeotto.
What can we get here? I think we might have to...
We might have to do pause.
This might be a Rattata.
I mean, we haven't caught a Pidgeotto yet.
I think that's cheating.
Oh, there's Rattata.
That's what I said!
Alright. Ready to catch a Rattata?
No.
Listen, we need all the fodder we can get, clearly.
I don't want Rattata.
I have a name for it.
Fodder.
Oh! Oh, we gotta be really careful here.
Alright, 1 throw.
No, don't even clear it. We're gonna have to go for a Mega Ball.
Bananas.
Oh god.
We need it.
Let's go! Come on. This would be insane.
That's a really good one.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Eviva!
Yay! What do we call it?
Do we replace Mary 1?
I want to replace Mary 1. I think it's done. 4.
Super powder.
Oh. Loudly eating chips. Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
as what people signed up for, we went over this. Garbage content, zero editing. I'm minimal.
What do we name it?
Oh, there's another one. Imagine that one was shiny.
We'd be able to catch it.
That's true.
Oh, it's level 13. It's not bad. It's gonna have a terrible moveset though.
What do we want to call it?
Get your tails.
Actually, it's male. Like there's no. And we have to remember it's gonna be
Lawsuit.
Lawsuit?
Lawsuit.
I actually really like lawsuit.
Listen, what do you think of when you think of the Abra line? I think of the Abracadabra lawsuit.
Alright. Alright. Who do you swap out? Yeah, I think it's worth.
Right now, it's fodder, because I'm pretty sure it only knows teleport.
I mean, so is Foe. Just kidding, Foe is
Don't
not
you
fodder.
dare say that!
I think right now we can switch out Monkey.
Switch out Vermin, because we're not going to be using it. Great choice.
Actually, we should have just played with it like that. Alright, welcome to the team Lawsuit.
Yay! I love Lawsuit.
I'm actually a huge fan of Lawsuit.
I knew that would be a banger.
It is. What level does Abra evolve?
Not too late.
The issue now, though.
It might be like in the 20s, actually. I don't know though. Whoa!
Oh! I just realized we messed up.
What?
I should have had you bring your Switch. You have the game, right?
Yeah.
I mean, of course you do. You're so knowledgeable in it, like everyone else. It's a perfect game, so I don't know why you wouldn't get it.
I have 20,000 hours in this game.
Oh,
Oh, thanks. But yeah, I have a good 1,200 hours in this game.
Do you want blue or red?
Blue.
La Beaky de Cross?
Beachy! The cross!
Is that Acromac? Acro or...
It's probably acro. Cross, like motocross? I don't know. I didn't know is there a difference in this game? Corsa. Oh, well the red one's... Wait. I didn't know there was a difference, first of all.
It's gonna be Acro or...
I didn't know they had acro. I think that one's probably...
I'm sure there's a difference.
The red one in Auras is acro. Right? Oh, wait. Go. Let the guy talk.
No, I didn't skip through that.
Hmm?
It just automatically does that.
You're lying to me. I just don't think that's true. Go in.
It'd be really funny if I can use the bike and you can't.
What is this? No way! No way! Give him that one.
Her.
I'm sorry. No way!
That's... Oh, sorry, I chose new by mistake. Why can't I?
Okay, Ali? You can get glasses?
This controller's great.
You having trouble there? What is this? Whoa! Whoa! That's sick!
Actually, no, this one's the vibe. I'm going back.
No, do it.
No, because then I'm not normie.
That's normie.
That's normie.
Scarpe.
What is this?
Bag. That's shoes.
Which one?
Bottom.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I agree, that is so annoying.
Pokey shine. Do I get to change?
Uh,
No, it's okay. You don't have to be Normie, because I'm Normie girl.
I'm just a fisherman. With my fish.
Who needs a wife when you got your fish?
Oh wait, I just realized.
I'm sorry.
That's a keystone. There are megas in this game.
You're joking. You're lying.
That's what that image is, right?
Oh my god.
Under the drugs?
No. There's no megas in this game.
Oh. Why did you make you learn thunder?
That's weird, actually.
Oh, we don't have any ground coverage now. I'm gonna give it to Monkey. Monkey.
We need a water tip. Oh, well, we're gonna have one.
We're going to. We're just not there yet.
What was I just gonna look up? I forgot.
Oh, crit chance. Do we keep crit chance? No, we don't. Crits are lame. Watch this crit.
Abra evolves at level 16. Oh, okay. It's close. And Kadabra's really good. We're not going to get Alakazam unless we decide we're going to use trading. Yeah, but trading, I feel like I really like the like actual natural way we're playing this. Like really just playing it as it is.
I think it's okay, but I think we should lock it behind like a certain...
You have been attacked by a monkey. Monkey. Monkey.
We actually don't care about it though.
The problem is with this is that you can't grind without catching stuff. Also, you can't go back this way. I don't think ever. Like, ever. This was the bane of my my Gen 1 run because I went too far and I was super underleveled.
Monkey tried to kill me again.
And I just got stuck. Can we get a bike? I would like to read the description and try to translate. Okay, Sfavilante. Reach the crush. Recycling. Yeah, that's
See?
Acro.
It just does that on its own.
You're lying to me. That's Acro though.
Okay. So red is the one we want. Because we want the fast one.
I didn't know that Acro was in this game. Are there like Acro sections?
No.
Why is there an Acro bike?
Style points.
It's so stupid. I just want to point out, by the way, come back. This electrode, massive, right? It's a good 2 feet off the real size of an electrode.
That's awesome.
It's 6 foot in diameter in real life. Like canon. Goodbye. My people need me.
Welcome back.
I've been called back home.
Oh, there's a lot of Jigglypuff there too. I think we got the better encounter.
Yeah. I don't even know if Jigglypuff's good, I just don't like it. I don't like Wigglytuff. Jigglypuff is fine, it just doesn't have enough potential.
It doesn't have the flair. He's leading the way.
As he should. He's our general. He's our leader. He's our captain.
This is actually incredible.
He's our sweet.
It has been 23 minutes and we've accomplished nothing.
We really have accomplished nothing. Let's go accomplish something.
I don't think we should.
What is the next thing to accomplish? Can you imagine if we had a Growlithe? That'd be sick. Oh, we need water. Or tea or whatever.
How do we get it?
I am not even gonna lie. I don't know.
We're gonna go stir up some drama.
I mean, yeah, I'd imagine it's this way. Normie girl.
Can we just go to the right here? I've determined that we cannot. No, I don't like old people.
Me too. I definitely agree. Old people,
They're just so old.
they need to go.
He's found.
He really likes the Fiori.
Oh!
Oh. Talk to this guy. He will have really.
Oh, no, this is where we're supposed to go.
Oh yeah, they teleported us to here, didn't they?
Yeah.
And they just brought us here, I guess. Hi, man. You said it's long.
And something about Diglett. Oh, we got another encounter in here, too.
Oh yeah, so be careful running. So you don't get a Zubat.
You immediately walk into one.
Well, I mean,
Okay, Diglett.
yeah.
Using ground cover.
Dugtrio is good, I think. Isn't it like really fast?
Yeah,
for some
and
reason?
we just don't care about level cap right now. Which really we should be paying attention to that in the rules, but I think it's just because we haven't grinded it all.
Level
And
cap.
also, yeah, because technically we are playing with hardcore.
I don't think really we're playing with hardcore.
Because we're not playing with items.
Level cap is not a super standard rule. That was the long tunnel.
Do we go back in for an encounter?
I think there's a second part of the tunnel. Or not. Okay.
Where are
Who's
we?
this guy? Lab? You remember me? Go in.
I feel like we do go back down and we just pick up
Yeah.
an encounter.
Oh, what?
I don't know what's even going on anymore. Whoa, we just like had a Mega Evolve.
No, we learned
Surf, maybe? Or Fly?
Fendente. That Pikachu is like no other. Okay, that looks like Flash. I think that's Flash.
Why?
Because it gets dark. Oh no.
Oh no. Si, grazie.
Grazie. Prego.
Oh. What? What's south of here? Oh, this is just a town we were just in. Okay, this is whack.
They just brought us all the way back. Route 9 though. You think?
Yeah, we should have picked up the Diglett Tunnel encounter.
Yeah.
But all we got.
Are we saying if we die that we get to make a new
Reload.
team, or that we just end?
Oh, if we like wipe, you mean?
Yeah.
If we wipe, we just make a new team of
Okay.
whatever we have left.
Alright.
Unless like we agree that it's like impossible.
Picnic girl.
Picnic girl? Sure hope. Oh. Thank you so much.
Kill it now.
Be already clean up.
Beat it to death. Also, level cap doesn't really matter right now because we're level.
True. You never be too sure.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
I'll see you. My monkey.
I want to beat it up.
I'll just crit. Good job.
That wasn't a crit.
Oops.
For the viewers at home, I dropped a chip.
Oh. I don't really have anything that can kill. Can we give you dig? Dig.
I like how you always say you don't have something that can kill. I mean, all you have strongest moves in games. That kills like every single time. You're faster. Of course I am. I'm lucky.
That's gonna be a problem.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
Well, let's just crit roll.
The odds of getting a crit here are 0. No way. Uh-oh.
I need rolls kill. That was uncomfortably close. Alright.
Okay,
Don't fall out.
I'm going back to America.
This is terrifying.
Why is this thing so strong?
I don't have the flying type move yet, so I can't do anything. It was also level 21 against like a level 16. Alright.
That was bad. Go back. That's weak.
Does it resist fighting? Okay. Sprinter Boom isn't doing a lot of damage. I like where your head's at. No. And I actually hate where your head's at. I don't like targeting you.
Whoa. I'm bigger.
I thought that was the controller. I don't know what to do here. This is actually kind of a brutal battle right now.
Beating it up. Easy. Yeah, it'll be done. And there's not much I can do except for that. Which is fine.
I need you to attack here.
Bad attack move though. Oh, alright. Call me a janitor because I clean up.
That battle was...
Not bad.
I don't think I'm ever recovering, like, mentally, from Surge. Yo, that's actually huge though. Level 14.
90?
Hey, $420 for the battle. Alright, I'm too lazy to go back to the Pokemon Center. Heal.
That's a really bad thing to say. That's a bad idea.
So,
Let's go catch something.
use potions.
Don't we have super potions? Oh, we have one.
And I'm healing everything all the way back up now because...
Are we allowed to catch stuff to level up?
Yeah. Here, go bottom. There's an item. Is it worth it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a hiker. Yeah, 100%. We take hiker really easily.
He has 3 Gyarados. Actually, we'd still take
I
it.
have Zippy Zap.
I have...
Or what's it called in Italian? Jeremy.
Jeremy?
Oh, baby game.
Yeah, baby game. You should definitely use Zippy Zap. Or whatever it's called. Sprint-a-boom.
Sprint-a-boom.
He hit him twice? Wow. Uh-oh. 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 You should probably get out.
Yeah, I will... Who's fodder here?
None of them. No, not Mary 1.
Because we already have another grass poison too.
How could you? Listen,
Abra's gonna be
listen.
better.
I'm thinking.
Late game, Abra's gonna be better for us.
Uh huh.
Because we have the Murph still. It was the exact same typing, so we can get the exact same
Oops, I
cover.
didn't get code.
Mm-hmm.
Who's gonna tank it?
No one. That's the issue. This is our hiker, Anthony.
Let's hope he hits me.
The thing is, I outspeed it. Yeah.
No.
Hey.
Oh. I would say.
Sword.
Yeah, I know, but if he
Because-
uses Stig again.
It's Onyx. Onyx is slow.
Yeah. That's not good. That's really bad. That's really bad.
We could cheat
Why would we cheat?
and use an item in battle.
Nah. What resists ground?
Nothing that we have. Grass does. Water, but I can bring a monkey. Monkey might be able to tank one. Or I leave marijuana and just hope it targets you instead.
It's not going to though. It's gonna go for the kill.
Alright, I'm switching to monkey then.
Alright.
We just gotta go find out.
Why not? We'll take it.
Yeah.
I think. Monk.
I don't know why the Onyx is faster than both of us.
Just monkey. Oh, idiot! Idiot! You stupid idiot! You buffoon!
But I guarantee if I stayed in to take that risk, it would have gone for kill.
Well, no, because it was chosen already.
No, like I mean that would be our lot.
Oh yeah. Look at all the polygons on his camera thingy. Walking stick. I'm an idiot. It's not
Oh,
a
that's not a walking stick. Trust me.
Shut up. Can we change our hat?
Can you change your hat?
I think it changes both of us.
It doesn't.
How would you know?
Because the other outfit changes I made didn't make playable.
No, I think it did.
Alright. So I think we're in agreement never to take on a hiker ever again.
Hiker will be easy. Yeah, no, look, I have the same shoes as you. It does
Oh.
change.
No, but then we won't be normies anymore.
No, come on.
What's down here?
Mewtwo.
Nope. I don't want to play that game today.
Wait for me.
Just do your teleport.
Oh!
Do
New flying type?
Do I get it?
New flying type?
Or Nidoran. Nidoran is also really solid. Poison ground, late game. Oh, well.
Well, it's been chosen for us. And it's gonna have a red ring, watch. Close enough.
I'm gonna bury it.
I'm just gonna go for it.
Because then if it runs away, we're in trouble. We're already on that great ball. So wait for me, you ready?
Oh, wait, can I do that too?
Okay. Ready?
Go.
They
Yeah.
counts for both of us.
Uh-oh.
I actually read up on this before. This means it has like 50% catch rate.
You messed up. It's going in the ball, don't worry.
Say.
Going. Oops.
Oh, I forgot to change it. Oh,
Alright.
that's
Come on. Come on. Stay in. Stay in. awesome.
I actually hate Fearow.
Me too. But it's strong.
Whoa!
Whoa! Everybody evolved. Oh, hold up.
I wish everyone evolved.
The lawsuit's about to.
The lawsuit's about to evolve, thank God. It's about time. We've been here for a while.
Alright. That was a pretty big catch. I think you're gonna name that one.
God. I think I know it. It's been 24 hours since we caught Mary Juan.
God.
I think that's a good switch because we have Mirth at a higher level.
I think I need it.
I think we both know what Fearaw's name. Actually, what kind of Fearow? Female.
Player reference. There's the T.
Bird.
Bird. Right.
I think that's the name, honestly.
I guess that is the name.
Watch how we find out that like just something insane spawns here right now.
Oh, bird is following me.
Are you ready? Oh wait. Did I heal? Yeah, I did. Oh, Lavender Town.
Oh. Sick.
Oh wait, I forgot to put the... Alright. I'm gonna make a bold decision. And good luck. What should I dig again? If I just dig again, I think I might go insane.
Self-destruct.
We lose Bird immediately after getting her. I'll get one hiccup. Oh.
No! No, you wouldn't!
Oh, we didn't even check Bird's moveset. I don't know what any of these moves do, actually.
For our audio listeners at home.
Okay, so that one's weird.
Uh-oh.
That one doesn't matter at all.
Yeah. That's focus energy.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Right, Veer, focus energy.
I don't know.
That might be...
I think that last one is Gus. Wow. Why do they keep going for me?
Bird has a solid speed step though right now.
Name's a bird.
You got that Spear you wanted all along.
I never wanted
Oh!
Pax.
Fury Pack. Oh. Which is normal type, I guess?
I don't know. Pack is
Oh no.
Pack is flying type. I'm 100% sure.
Okay.
Monkey.
I think it's too hard. I think we're better off than Cookie Shiny.
It's gonna be really funny when Cookie Shiny dies and we just have a Pikachu riding around with us. And it's dead forever.
I can't wait for it to make like some type of like huge sacrifice in the Elite Four. It dodged.
Okay.
I actually hate this trainer on a personal level.
Honestly, base. Scranocho?
Okay, yeah.
That's
Oh!
seed?
I'm sorry, wait, we had leech seed this entire
Since
time?
when is that leech seed?
How long have we had leech seed for, and we just haven't known it?
I thought that was... I thought that was stun. I thought that was stun spore. That's been leech seed this whole time?
That's actually so upsetting.
Bro.
It hit one time.
I have to say it adds a lot to not know what's going on ever.
Yeah. Go for it.
Honey.
Yo, guess what we got?
Yo!
I don't like how Bird is looking at Spo.
He wouldn't. Flow is too strong. Oh. Oh, I'm done. Go fight that child. I'm lost. Hello. That's a good move.
I'm glad we're in agreement.
I don't think we need to save this much. I think it auto saves.
I don't trust it.
True.
Bambino.
Bambino, Corso. Corso Bambino.
Oh, this is a really good switch.
Bye bye, Mankey. See you in hell.
Alright, Josh.
I don't like this controller very much.
Oh, it's fine. That kills, right?
He looks at you very angrily.
Right, you have you beat it speed-wise.
Of course I do.
Well, that did a lot.
You're fine. You're fine. Oh, that's so stupid. Don't do that. It's not
Because
worth
you
it.
kill. You got to speed it.
But
So
why
just use Gust, yeah. This is not Gust.
You could have just quick attack. Now you've moved into our actual most useless thing. What?
I'm sorry? Yeah, but you get more XP. than-
What just happened?
But I knew you outsped.
No. What just happened?
I don't know what move that is.
We're not glossing over that.
Yeah.
What did he just... What just happened? Please stop saving.
Sorry, man. I just gotta make sure. You know.
Oh, yeah, wait, I gotta really make sure. Hold on.
Absolutely what just happened? I'm so confused.
Yeah, hold on. We gotta check Bird's moveset.
It's in the team one. You're so stupid.
I'm actually cracked, I'll have you know. Alright,
Bird.
Bird.
Info.
Info.
It copies the most used move, maybe? I don't know why that's a flying type move.
Wanna look it up?
Don't talk about it. No, nothing's happening.
Can't believe you got hose.
I don't.
You got hose in the VM. Wow.
It's a lie. She's lying. Apparently it's a Finnish word. And it means on a speculum. Okay. So what is it?
What language did you translate from?
Italian.
Okay. Look up Fiora's moveset.
It is. Mirror move.
What is mirror move?
You don't know mirror move?
No.
I didn't realize mirror move was a flying type move.
That's weird, yeah. Okay.
Well, whatever. Oh, look how slow he is. Look at him run. He's gallivanting.
Route 10?
Yeah.
You encountered?
What's that? Oh, that's great. Okay. Alright, so. When do we get a rod?
Soon, I know. Krabby?
Not bad.
I am scared of that road, though. Fiora. Yeah, they can't come down the ledge. Hey, dude. It doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah, dupe close. Let's catch it anyway for XP. Never mind.
No. I don't think we will.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna go get food. Wait and guard me, so. Oh, there's an Nidoran.
Should I just do this on my own? Hey gang, we're back together. That's a little baby Nidoran. What do we have? What do we need? We have a boring Gen 1 team. Have I mentioned I don't like Gen 1 that much? Sorry. It's the truth. Okay. I don't know. I don't know anything. Particolarmente. Oh, diventa più forte! Mi dispiace, italiani. Genti italiani. Mi dispiace. Making fun of you. I don't know how to say it. Anyway. Foe is getting stronger. Let's go. Let's play with Poke Shiny. This is bad content, I know. And I'm sorry. Oh, this is awful. Okay. I'm thinking... Can you clear Raticate? Should we pause?
No, that's alright.
I think we should pause. I don't want it to have...
No, I don't think we should end the video at all. Honestly, I think we should just let it keep running.
I think it's funny if we pause here.
Yeah, no, I don't think we keep running actually. I just think